this one right here. It's another one we have. It's another Baja with a Briggs & Stratton. I don't know which one it is, but we're gonna figure it out. But it's this one right here. We just found this off our spare engine we got. Spare engine right here. I looked on this, and they got the serial numbers right there, which you can't see real good. It's not focused, but this right here is like a 205. I have a tapered shaft. It's a 205. Got it off a pressure washer. So it runs and everything, but got the tapered shaft. Took the air cleaner off this one and put it on here so I could actually run it and ride it. I was gonna switch the engine, but we just ride it like that. And we need the muffler is so loud, so I'm just doing this stuff right now. I had this gas tank on now. I took one off of that one and put it on here, so it's the gas tank on here. So be with the update, the little ride along, and I'm gonna paint it up, make it look good, make it look a whole lot better. But it's just the beginning of it. Ran it pretty good. Nice little lope. Homemade exhaust. Got it bent over there. Ready to go. Nice little lope. That mug right there is low as low as it could go. Compressor just can't do that. I can't do this right here. Thing right here, low. Right here, low. You got the stock pucker right on it. Probably done ran out of gas. No, I ain't had that much gas to start with. Yeah. So leaning that way. Yeah. So that tube right there. Yeah, ran out of gas. I don't have enough gas. It's leaning to one side. This engine not designed for it to lean to one side. Fuel spot is right there. So back up. Make sure it fly back up. A little gas. Cold too. Not warm up. So. All it up a little bit. All it up a little bit. Need to upgrade this carburetor. Take this thing off. All it up. I think this filter right here got a lot to do with it. Run better without the filter, man. I don't like running it without the filter. I'm doing it like this because I don't feel like going to go get my tools out the car. It's just a little simple little fix. Could do with my hands. Don't need no flat head. I gotta get to this little screw back here. I'll power it up a little bit. Turn it up a little bit. That's it right there. Need another carburetor. Warrior. Really trying 206. A little low y'all. Run pretty good. Got the PZ19. About to run it up. Get that out. Run pretty good though. Sit right there. That's the Brandon Stratton. The mini bike of the Brandon Stratton. Yeah, I put the feet on the truck. That's it right there. Brandon Stratton. Go down there and turn around. Balance.